Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers. I got two of my guys out here. We're gonna saw cut in the basement floor a footing, 2 foot by 2 foot concrete footing. Let that set for a few days and come back and put a vertical support beam up, kind of raise the floor up, support it where the bathroom is. But yesterday, you know, folks, we are selling our piers like crazy to people all over the United States, DIYers that contact me, and we'll send them however many piers and plates that they need. They watch our videos on YouTube, and they contact me and they want to save some money, but yet they want a fantastic pier, and they call me and I ship them my King Piers and load bearing plates and shims, and they lift their house and get it back to level. Well, now we're starting. I got my assistant Cooper Flum. I got him going and talking to all of my competitors, and yesterday I had the honor of meeting King Piers at their office, and what a great company they are. And I tell you folks, if you want the two best companies in Kansas City to bid on your projects, I would call King Piers and then I'd call King Piers, or call King Piers and then King Piers. It doesn't matter, but you'll get the two best quality contractors that care about your home. And I was highly impressed with King Piers yesterday. So but back to King Piers. For all your foundation repair needs, call me, 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.